Dave Puhl's Trendero began as a 1957 Ford Ranchero and became one of the most distinctive custom cars of the early 1960s. Puhl and John Malik built the car at Kustom's Trend Automotive in Lyons, Illinois. Work began in 1960 and was completed in 1961 during the early years of Puhl's own custom shop. The Ranchero received an extremely radical transformation. The front end was extended about 6 inches and incorporated a section inspired by the 1959 Ford Thunderbird. 4 recessed headlights, reportedly taken from Harley-Davidson motorcycles, were placed inside unusual tubular housings. Additional tubes and horizontal antenna-like elements appeared above the front wheels, giving the car a distinctly futuristic character. At the rear, paired tubular assemblies carried 5 1959 Mercury taillights on each side. Their chrome-tipped ends resembled miniature rocket exhausts. A molded roll pan replaced the conventional rear bumper and extended the body approximately 4 inches. The roof was chopped by about 4½ inches, while badges, trim, and door handles were removed to create a cleaner custom profile. The interior continued the futuristic theme. Bucket seats surrounded a central console equipped with instruments, a radio, telephone, and television. A 1960 Oldsmobile supplied the steering wheel. The suspension was lowered approximately 6 inches at the front and 5 inches at the rear, while chrome reverse wheels completed the stance. The truck bed contained one of the car's most unusual features, a hidden bar and casino-style gaming area concealed behind the opening roll pan. The Trendero also changed appearance during its show car career. Contemporary accounts describe several paint treatments, including Candy Flake and Yellow Pearl. Its Yellow Pearl version appeared in CarCraft in January 1962 when the magazine featured the Trendero prominently. The car collected major show honors. In 1961, it won the Ahara Custom Sweepstakes. In May 1963, John Malik took the Trendero to the Spring-O-Rama show at Rockford Armory, where it won Best Judged Car, Best Paint, and first place in the Radical division. Its final known major appearance was the 1965 New York World's Fair. Afterward, the Trendero disappeared from the show circuit and remained stored indoors for decades. Mark Moriarty of Mounds, Minnesota, acquired it from Malik in 2004. In 2010, the historic Kustom was advertised on the HMB, with contemporary listings giving an asking price in the range of $29,000 to $32,000. The Trendero remains an important surviving example of early 1960s custom car culture. A 1957 Ford Ranchero transformed from a practical utility vehicle into a futuristic showpiece that captured the imagination of an era fascinated by rockets, space travel, and radical automotive design.